Alright, y'all, what's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn Vlogs TV, back at it again. We gotta get another video. I don't know what today's video is gonna be about, but it's a nice day out. Starting to get and look 10 times more better out here, and you can see it. I'm at the favorite vlogging location. But anyway, y'all, just more so an appreciation video for actually finally getting to 500 subscribers. Never ever thought I'd get to 500 subscribers. I remember first starting out. Man, it was a struggle. It still is a struggle starting to surpass 500 subscribers, man. But we're moving up slowly and surely. But man, I'm just super excited that we actually got to 500 subscribers. Now the next goal is 1,000, then to the moon, like Elon Musk said. But anyway, you guys, so pretty much I just want to say thank you guys for rocking with me and continuously rocking with me, and the giveaway. So like I said, you guys, we are doing a giveaway, and the giveaway will be for AirPods or gift card. And there's already 2 people that's in the last video, so and I got y'all. And I'm probably wait and do the draw until May. So what we're gonna do is, you guys are just gonna follow my Instagram and then comment done below, and then I'm gonna put them all into like a tally pool, how many people entered or whatever, and then I'm not gonna have y'all pay for anything or nothing. I'm just gonna tell Siri to pick from how many people that entered, a number from how many people that entered, and then whatever number that Siri says or whatever, that's the number that we're gonna go with. So I mean, that's the person that we're gonna go with. And even if the 2 people just enter, it's just y'all 2 then. So that's what we're gonna be doing, you guys. So if you guys are interested in the AirPods or the gift card, your gift card will be probably some money on, I think, a Visa card or something like that, and then the AirPods are AirPods. So, and if you got Samsung, we'll probably do the Galaxy Buds too. Then so won't be left out, depending on what the winner wants. So yeah, you guys, just want to come on here and just say thank you. And then, like I said, we're still waiting on the next mod to come in, you know, with the shipping stuff. The shipping is ridiculous right now, so you're still waiting on those to come in. But probably in the next video that you guys will see will be where the wheels actually get put on the car, because if you see, the weather is starting to actually get better. So once the weather actually gets better, then we're gonna throw the wheels on, and then I really want to do like a huge video, like have somebody recording me while I'm driving and stuff. I want to make it like a huge reveal. And remember this spot though. Remember this spot, because this is kind of sort of the area. I'm not gonna do it here with the pictures, but I'm gonna do them like somewhere over there. I ain't gonna tell y'all exactly where. Y'all just gotta wait and subscribe and follow the channel, and I'm telling y'all, them pictures gonna be epic, y'all. And I'm gonna do all the pictures, you know, just cut the middleman out. They don't have to wait on nobody to get time for them to be ready for your pictures and stuff. No, man, just get out here and try it yourself. It's really not hard to do. And the other reason I'm surprised that I got 500 subscribers, because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I used to like to be, I'm the type of person, used to be the type of person that like to be behind the camera. Like, don't put me on that, man. I don't want to be on none of that, you know, because I was shy and embarrassed and stuff. But it just take time with vlogging and get in front of the camera and just doing it, bro. Like Nike, just doing it, bro. There ain't nothing to it. Just hopping in front of the camera, just speaking and stuff. Even a lot of people, like, I put some people on the camera and then they just get super nervous. I'm like, yeah, trust me, I had to grow out of that, because I was the same way. But I'm telling you, it just come with time, practice, man. That's why you practice everything. Everything that you want to do, it's going to take practice to get better and better and better. And not saying I'm the greatest, or I'm nowhere near. You see my subscriber count like that, great. But subscriber count don't really matter to me. I'm just super excited because I'm actually doing something I love, and found something that I actually love and enjoy to do. And I get to talk about cars to audience that actually like to listen about cars, instead of talking to people and them get irritated and stuff. Like, bro, we don't want to hear about cars no more. I'm like, all right, bro, I'm trying. But when some of your passion, man, you tend to talk about it a lot. So that's why I'm so happy I actually found somewhere, like an outlet I can actually talk about cars and stuff. And voice cracked and stuff. But and actually talk about other stuff too, like what I'm doing and like going on trips and stuff, and actually just have fun with it, man. So everybody subscribe. I appreciate y'all and come on this journey with me. And I'm telling y'all, once we get up there, I know this build is crazy. The Mustang build was crazy. The first Fusion was crazy. I only did like a few things to the first Fusion, and man, everybody be like, bro, your first Fusion was hard. I'm like, yeah, bro, I know. I know, bro, I know. Say no. I didn't be that type of guy, but trust me, y'all, I'm never gonna change no matter how many subscribers I got. I ain't gonna act bougie like some of these other stupid, I ain't gonna say stupid, but these other YouTubers, they get all this money and hype and fame, and they just get acting different. Like, bro, you still the same person that started off with 50 or whatever. I don't know what you did to get up there, but you know, you're still the same person, and I'm gonna always be that same person. So y'all can always come up to me or whatever at car shows and stuff. I ain't gonna be that, oh man, barricaded off by people. No, I ain't gonna be that guy. But I'm telling y'all, the bills I have in mind is ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous. I know a lot of people may say this or whatever, but I'm telling y'all, like, they make 0 kits for this car. 0 kits for this car. And legit, we legit made a whole custom kit, y'all. A whole custom kit. I know some people in the Fusion forum like, bro, where you get the stuff from? Where you get the stuff from? But sometimes you just like to stand out from the crowd, you know, especially at like car shows and stuff. Not saying we have many Fusion sports in Michigan or whatever, but some of the top Fusion sports are here. And, you know, they come to the car shows too, and I just want to stick out a little bit, you know. Like that diffuser, big heat. But like I said, it's a custom piece, so it's going to come with a little bit of time, and you know. So, oh, here come security, y'all. About to get put out by security because I'm vlogging. Damn, hold on. And I also have a gaming channel, which I'm debating on, like throwing videos up there and stuff. But what do you guys think? Should I throw videos up on the gaming channel? I don't know what I'll be doing on there, to be honest, because most games I play is I be focused and stuff. I be getting mad at the game, but most people like to see that. But I be getting pissed off, y'all, because y'all already know how these games be. Like, bruh, they must be irritating, dog. And they make these super challenging things. Like, dog, come on now, take it easy on your bros, man. Take it easy on the gamers, man. We don't always want to try. We just want to relax sometime and just play the game. No, they insist on making it hard. But also, you guys, like I said, the weather is starting to warm up, so you know, car show season is about to start popping. So we actually about to start actually. That was a lot of actuallys. Take two. But anyway, you guys. So, like I said, car show season is about to start. So we are going to actually have content. You know, here in the wintertime, that's how most content creators or YouTubers, influencers, or whatever you want to call them, they go to like different places like California and stuff like that, because ain't no content really here when it's snow on the ground. Like, ain't nothing really happening because everybody got their little pretty cars and stuff. They got their precious cars put up. So yeah, y'all, car show season about to happen. So we about to try to bring the best content I can and switch it up a little bit, because I know some people like to see old schools, and nowadays YouTubers, they just have the modern day cars. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna switch it up a little bit and try to hit like mostly every meet. So cannot wait for car season, especially with the wheels on there, especially since she's actually modified and actually looking how I want it to look. Man, I cannot wait. But like I said, wheels, and I told you guys in the last video, if you haven't seen the last video, you already know what's the next mod or whatever. If you haven't watched the last video, go watch that video. Because you're slacking on the videos, man. You can't be doing that. You gotta rock with your boy. But anyway, y'all, like I said, if you want to enter the giveaway, follow me on Instagram, comment down in the comment section below, and I'm gonna put your name in the I'm putting it in the notes of everybody who entered. And May 5th, you guys, when May 5th comes up, doing a selection of who won. I don't know what made me do these, but it seemed like something minor for now. But when I hit 1,000 subscribers, you guys, what I want to do is, I want to give somebody either a GoPro or a DSLR camera. Why, you ask? Why, you may say? Because I know somebody may come here and be like, oh, I want like the best quality when I start vlogging or whatever. I did too. But you learn, you want to make a video, you just gonna throw your iPhone on. A lot of people still vlog on their iPhone, man. A lot of successful YouTubers still vlog on their iPhone and have decent amount of subscribers. You just got to get out here, man. Stop making excuses, man. Just get out here and do it. But like I said, I'm gonna do a GoPro, so that's when 1,000 subscribers come. So when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm not playing, y'all. We're giving a camera away or a GoPro. So once we get there, y'all, so y'all won't have any more excuses. Y'all actually have a camera. So if you want to go take pictures, you want to be a photographer, automotive photographer, just a photographer at all, because photography is amazing, bro. It's amazing. It's like so much stuff you can take a picture of, and it's a community for everything, bro. Like in photography, like the abstract, the scenery, all that stuff. Like, bro, you'd be surprised. Photography is amazing. I love photography, man. Even I'm like, heavy in my thoughts, or just like don't know what to do, or upset, just go out, hop in the whip, and do some photography. Either pictures of the car, or look at that. That's a beautiful picture right there. The water, But it's expensive, and that's why I want to start y'all all right. And y'all can become a YouTuber also. So that's what I want to do for 1,000 subscribers. So we're going to keep pushing. We're going to keep grinding, you guys. I'm not going to give up, because we came too far to give up. It's just crazy to even say I got 500 subscribers, bro. Some people be like, man, that's a little bit of subscribers, but man, it's monumental to me. Like, bro, person that started off from zero, ain't linked with no other YouTuber or anything. We just building our way up on our own, trying to push our own content out there. It's rough, you guys, but man, it's so fun though, actually seeing growth though. Seeing growth is the best part, because most YouTubers, most beginners of YouTube, they often quit because the growth is not what they want. Like, they don't have like immediate growth, bro. Like, what I realize is you have to build your catalog, and then every now and again you want to go back, and then you can see your videos start to rack up more views and more views. But you have to build your catalog up so it can help out your analytics. I'm gonna do that in a whole nother video, you guys. I'm gonna do that in a whole nother video. But I appreciate y'all. And don't ever forget, trust God, never lose faith, because he'll never lose faith in trusting you. Peace.